Hello and welcome to Asan Hai Education. In this video, we will discuss the society portion of GS paper 1, which is related to social issues in general studies paper 1 in your mains examination. And we will see how this portion is very scoring, and with minimum preparation you can score maximum marks, because every year 3 to 4 questions are asked from the society portion or social issues portion. Okay, so today we will see the syllabus of this portion. See what is mentioned in the syllabus. The first topic is salient features of Indian society, diversity of India. In this you have to study the salient features of Indian society. What is the definition of society, why unity in diversity is a main feature of Indian society. Okay, and you have to study the role of women and women's organization, population and associated issues, poverty and developmental issues, urbanization, their problem and their remedies. So in the second topic you have to study what was the role of women and women's organization in our freedom struggle and today itself. And we have to discuss the population and associated issues as well, because according to UNFPA, okay, United Nations Population Fund, India is expected to take China by 2027. So how we can take the maximum in output from our demographic dividend? Otherwise this demographic dividend will become demographic disaster. Okay, so all these things are to be discussed in this. We will also discuss poverty and developmental issues, how to tackle poverty, urbanization, their problem and their remedies. I have discussed this topic already. And effect of globalization on Indian society, social empowerment. What is social empowerment? Communalism, regionalism and secularism. So in this portion you have to basically see what are the major points mentioned in it. You have to prepare short notes, very short notes, 100 to 150 words only, and some fact, statistics and definition. Okay, and you will be able to score easily 60 to 80 marks with minimum effort. Okay, and this portion is very scoring as compared to history and geography portion. Okay, so focus on this Indian society portion and you will be able to rock in your GS paper 1. And I will ensure that I prepare the notes with each and every topic. Okay, I will come up with the notes from these topics in my other lectures. Okay, till then, thank you for watching. Have a great day.